Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are all doing really well. Today we are talking white trousers. White trousers, whether in cotton, linen, silk or denim, are a must-have piece in every woman's wardrobe. They are part of the most stylish outfits and we all love to wear them. When it comes to white trousers, there are some tips and tricks we all should pay attention so that this could be the most beautiful piece of clothing. So before we see all the proposals I'm bringing you today, I'm going to talk a little bit about this garment. There are three main characteristics that a pair of white trousers have. The first one is it's a basic, neutral piece in every woman's wardrobe, like any pair of black or navy trousers, and will allow you to create endless outfits as it's a neutral bottom that you can pair with any top you have in your wardrobe. It's also a timeless piece as it's never go out of style, and if it's in a fabric like denim, for instance, you can wear them all year round for all seasons. And the third characteristic when choosing your white trousers is that it must be useful. What I mean by useful, it will depend on each one of us, mainly according to your body type, your style, what you love the most, because if it's a fit that flatters your body silhouette, you will definitely wear it more. So this one that I'm wearing is a straight fit that is the most universal style that flatters all body types and all sizes. The slouchy or balloon jeans are another universal design that flatters practically all body shapes. And as we are in spring and already sinking in summer, we have to talk about the bermudas or shorts. One thing to take into consideration is the wider the bermuda legs are, the thinner your legs will look. Also, a pair of bermudas looks especially good for petites. And the fourth style that I wanted to talk is the wide leg trousers or tailored trousers with front pleats that are also very flattering as it will create an hourglass beautiful silhouette. And for example, if your aim is to disguise your legs, this is the perfect choice. So knowing all these, when choosing a pair of white trousers, don't forget to choose the designs that flatters the most your body silhouette. Choose the correct size, especially because the white color tends to enlarge and mark what we have and even what we don't have. So when in doubt, always go up a size. Number 3, choose a not see-through fabric, or make sure they are lined if it's a thinner fabric. And 4th, choose the correct length, depending on the design of the trousers, and also it depends on the fashion trends. Now, for instance, what's on trend is either ankle length or floor length. In fact, updating our garments make our style modern and updated. Also, it makes you look younger and it transmits a put-together image. Finally, don't forget to include bermudas or shorts that are perfect for warm weather. And this spring-summer, you will easily find them in every store as they are a huge trend. So, now let's jump into the outfits. So, I really hope you've enjoyed today's video. If so, please give it a like to help me understand what type of videos you love the most. Also, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would love you to be part of this amazing community we are building here. It's wholeheartedly appreciated. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next one. Bye bye!